Bollywood glitterati attend the gala event at Blue Frog in Mumbai to mark the release of the music album of Straight, a movie that revolves around a man confused about his sexual orientation.
I just have one more question.
Sure.
You think Gul and I make a straight pair?
Isn't this supposed to be a teddy-meddy love story?
Shall we ask Gul to
why not?
join us, because
Please.
I'm looking very weird just standing with you here.
You know, I've always wanted to ask you this. Are you straight?
This is the time you choose to ask me that question.
Look, I mean, I think there's never a better time than to talk about things in front of everyone.
Your question is completely valid, but
Considering you're starring in a film called Straight, so it's good to know your
right.
personal preferences. 'Cause I'm not straight, just for you to know.
I'd like to invite Mr. Hiten Merchant, the CEO of Desi Mad, and the naughty brains behind the rambunctious Taki Sawant.
Most people don't know what Desi Mad is about, that's right?
I just have one question now. Was Mad ever Deewana translated into Hindi long time ago?
Probably.
Yeah, I grew up on that.
What you've seen right now, the Taki Sawant, has been conceived by the entire Desi Mad team. Already 20 lakh people are exposed to this video, and all the people are wondering who the hell is Pinu Patel.
Even I'm wondering that.
I mean, we are happy to have your encouragement, support and good wishes with us. Some of the cast is here. I'd like to invite the rest of the cast and all the crew that are here. Anuj Chaudhary, who is being introduced in the film as Kamlesh. Rajat Sid Makkar, who plays the character of Rajat, who is Pinu's friend, confidant and cousin. Gul Panag, of course, my favorite actress because she's in 2 films out of the 3 I've made. And Vinay Pathak, who is absolutely sensational in the role of Pinu Patel. My editor Nishant Radhakrishnan, who's done a fabulous job in editing this film. What we should do now is officially launch the music. For that, I would like to invite one of the most outstanding filmmakers that I've had the fortune, Ketan Mehta.
No, I avoided all the masala arrangements, and I stuck to very basic drums, bass and guitars, and some keyboards here and there. And it's got a very organic sound, and it sounds like a band. I think the best song I made was this song called You Should Know By Now, and it's one long epic kind of song, and it's really turned out nice. You know, the stuff grows on you, people have been telling me, so you just gotta kind of chill out and not expect a full onslaught of sound and masala.
I absolutely flipped on the film story, and then I was told that Parthi Balgopalan is going to be directing it and Gul Panag is going to be acting in it. I had no doubt in my mind that I was going to do this film. I've worked with Sagar Desai earlier. He had done the background and the music for for Bheja Fry. He's a very young, fresh and innovative music director. You would understand what the situation is, what the scene before is, and what the scene after the song is, and keeping all of that in mind, and also the fact that the character in the film, one of the characters in the film was a musician, and I think he gave it all, and I don't think anybody else would have come up with something so fresh.
मैं रॉक म्यूज़िक की एक बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। फिल्म का जो म्यूज़िक है रॉक म्यूज़िक के जॉनर को बिलोंग करता है। रॉक म्यूज़िक जो है वो उसकी डेडिकेटेड फ़ैन फॉलोइंग होती है, और मुझे आशा है कि जो रॉक फैंस हैं उन्हें ये म्यूज़िक पसंद आएगा। मेरा कैरेक्टर एक लड़की का है जो एक आर्टिस्ट है, वो अपनी लाइफ को लेकर बहुत पैशनेट है और वो कैरिकेचर्स ड्रॉ करती है।
The music director of the film is Sagar Desai, a very young, very talented, dynamic music director, and I think that the songs in this film is very well integrated into the film, and that's what makes it nice, and it kind of takes every situation forward, or it builds a mood, and the dash of rock is really nice. I mean, I'm a great fan of rock music, and so I mean I just love the music of the film. Of course it's my film, but I love the music. Straight basically a comedy hai, and it is the story of Pinu Patel, played by Vinay Pathak. And he plays a man who is nearly 40, never had an intimate relationship with a woman, and ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है where he suddenly begins to think that he's gay. and he's completely frightened.
He hasn't found love in his life, and he's 37-year-old, still a virgin. Nice guy.
સંભળાતું નથી તમને આપણો પીનું ગેજ
तुम तो कहीं नहीं होगा पीनू ऐसा कहीं होगा तो नहीं